Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja. I hope guys you all are doing great. So on today's video I'm showing you a simple makeup tutorial. So this is the glamour look which I had made with the very simple steps. So basically I didn't had did so much makeup on my face because of winter season. If you are going to use so much makeup during the winter season, it will not look good at all. It will make your skin very cakey. So if you want to get that look, so make sure that you are gonna watch my whole video. So I hope guys you have subscribed my channel, and if you are new, make sure that you
So
had
first time I'm
subscribed,
just gonna
and
take
please
this
like, share
definitely
and comment to my
moisturizer
YouTube channel,
base.
which is Unperfect
So
Me. So let's get started
my
and
skin
follow
will
my
not
video.
get hurt from inside क्योंकि मॉइस्चर करना या आपको एक कवरेज देना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बिफोर द मेकअप. Second step, I'm just taking this Pond's BB cream, which is absolutely good for my skin. Taking on this hand, I'm gonna apply it like this. Next step, I'm just gonna take some powder to just blend my all the foundation. So now I'm just gonna do my eye makeup, so that will be the glamour look. First I'm taking this brown shade, so very slightly I'm just gonna use it. I am not an expert to do makeup, but I used to do makeup, so I know a little bit. So yeah, because of that I just feel to do makeup on my eyes. Now I'm taking this black shade, very less, gonna apply here. दिस विल बी वेरी सिंपल लुक, आपको बहुत आराम से कुछ ही वक्त में आपका हो जाएगा. सो मैंने ब्राउन को पूरे में लगाने के बाद ब्लैक को सेंटर पे करके शेड दिया है. सो यू कैन सी इट्स ऑल डन. I don't have an eyebrow pencil, so I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow help, so I can give some shade to my eyebrows. brush my face. I'm gonna take first light colors, so अचानक से ज़्यादा पिंकिश नहीं होना चाहिए. I have this beautiful Revolution highlighter palette, so I'm gonna highlight my last step. I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild red lipstick जो कि ग्लैमर में और चांद चांद लगा देगा.